Hello and welcome to Dealer's Yard, your car online marketplace here in Kenya. And today we're going to talk about our top 5 family cars that you can buy in Kenya. And before that, let us talk about the features of a good family car. And number 1, it's safety. We as parents don't compromise on safety. Number 2, it's space. We want enough space for our groceries, our bags, and shopping. Number 3, it's fuel efficiency. We don't want our car that is going to drain our pockets due to fuel. And number 3, it's low maintenance vehicle. And now let's dive into our 5 top picks for a family car here in Kenya. And number 5, we went for Honda Odyssey van. The Honda Odyssey van is a high-end family van designed with large families in mind. It has a hands-free boot and also easy kid monitoring system. Number 4, we went for Mazda Banter van because it's an 8-seater. The van is designed for large families and it's great for long distance and drives to ushago. And number 2, it's Subaru Forester SUV. I understand that Subaru is associated with Vasha boys, but a Subaru Forester SUV is built with a solid AWD. Has a huge ground clearance made for Kenyan roads. It's also ideal for families living in hilly areas such as Nandi Hills and Kabarnet, Mount Kenya. Number 2, it's the Kenyan favorite vehicle. That is the Toyota Noah minivan. It's a spacious 7-8-seater. It's favorite among Kenyans and it is known for its fuel efficiency and its comfortable interior. And number 1, we have Volvo V60 wagon. Volvo is known for its safety. It does not compromise on safety, and so the Volvo V60 is good family car because it protects your family. It's fuel efficient and reliable. Thank you for watching and remember to follow us, subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.